पास एक प्लेन फिटेड कुर्ता है। इस कुर्ते पर हम देखेंगे कि किस तरह से अलग अलग तरह के जो फिटिंग प्रॉब्लम आते हैं उनको हम किस तरह से दूर कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट द measurement for the kurta. If you are taking measurement from the ready kurta which should be well fitted, then take the measurement correctly. That I have shown in the last video. If you are taking the body measurement, then also you take the measurement correct so that the fitting will be correct also. Still, if the problems are that occurs during after the stitching or during the stitching, so small problems we'll discuss now. In the last video I told to show the drafting of a kurta, but I thought before drafting you should know about the fitting problems of a kurta. So here we are supposed to discuss about some common fitting problems of a kurta. First problem is neck width. If the neck width is not correct or more or too close, if it is more, then the shoulder part dips down towards arm, and if it is too tight, it is uncomfortable for the neckline. So generally this measurement should be 1/12 of the chest divided by 12. How much you are getting? This much. If it is 36, then it will come 3 inch. So if that shoulder, here it is 3 inch. If your neck width is more, then you can reduce it by 1/2 inch. If it is too close, then you can increase by 1/2 inch. Some problem occurs due to the neck length also. So if front neck length, generally we take 6.5 and max 7 inch. For the back neck length, if you want to go deep neck length, then you have to take your shoulder measurement divided by chest divided by 3 inch, and how much you are getting, that will be your shoulder measurement. And the neck width, chest divided by 12, and then accordingly you can reduce 1/2 inch or you can add 1/2 inch as per the neck width. It is more or less. गले की चौड़ाई अगर ज़्यादा हो जाती है तो उसको ठीक करने के, तरह तरह के नेकलाइन फिनिश करने के बहुत सारे वीडियोस मैंने डाले हुए हैं, तो मैं नंबर लिख देती हूँ, आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं, और उन वीडियो को आप फॉलो करेंगे तो आपको बहुत सारे नेकलाइन फिनिशिंग का तरीका मालूम हो जाएगा. Easy way to rectify the more neck width. If it is more, then you want to reduce it. So in that case, place a fabric of same color or contrast color, and that should be on fold. This is the back part on fold and front part on fold. Mark the outline of the neckline. Now measure how much the neck width you have to reduce, and you can go and draw your shape. You may or any design to reduce this neck width. Same you can draw for the front also. Here I have drawn front part this way as a design, so that your neck width also will be covered and the designer neck will also be there. Here I would like to ask that here take 1/4 inch outside for the seam line to join with the neck. To rectify the front neck length, if it is more, then you have to take the same color of fabric or contrast color of fabric and place this much, and how much the length you want to cover it up, accordingly place and draw the outline. This outline, add 1/4 inch minimum for the seam line. Keep this piece straight also, or if you want, then you can give this kind of shape also. This way the shape will come. One problem generally we see on the armhole, joining of the sleeve. So here just check if that body part is lapping on the sleeve, then you have to trim the body part here. If the sleeve part is lapping on body, then you have to trim the sleeve part. Armhole trimming may go up to ½ inch. That is not the problem. That after rejoining the sleeve, this shape will come correct. Side seam line always mark as per the measurement and stitch on the marking, so that to avoid the fitting problem. कुर्ते में एक और चीज़ आती है, जो साइड स्लिट होती है, ये ओपन होता है। यहाँ पर इस ओपन से कभी कभी ये गैप बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, तो इस गैप की और पीछे से हेवी हिप होने के कारण कुर्ता हिप पे अटक जाता है और ये गैप बहुत ज़्यादा दिखाई देता है। तो इस प्रॉब्लम को भी सॉल्व करने के लिए हम फ्लेयर को बढ़ा सकते हैं, जिससे कि ये गैप कम हो जाए। In straight kurtas, one more problem is that the gap in between the front and back, this slit part, this gap becomes more, so that the hip part and thigh part looking little odd. If you feel like that, you can increase the bottom flare for front and back by 2 to 3 inch, so that it will cover maximum part. Little it should be visible your shalwar or bottom, whatever you are wearing. If it is more, then you can do this way.